Email platforms in 2025, but only one winner. Which tool truly upgrades your marketing life? On the left, GetResponse, the all-in-one marketing automation powerhouse. On the right, MailerLite, minimalist and design-focused email marketing. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these platforms actually perform. Each round means real points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform deserves your business. Some of the results might genuinely surprise you. Here's the mind map for what we're actually comparing. First up, pricing, because yeah, everyone's got a budget. Then we've got features, design and usability, integration and ecosystem, automation powers, languages and support, and those little bonus marketing tools. We're hitting all angles. Ready? Let's go. All right, let's talk money first. Pricing. GetResponse comes in swinging with a bunch of features, but you'll notice the entry price starts a bit higher, like $19 a month and up. Unlimited emails, even on the basic plans. So that's cool, but, and it's a bit annoying, it charges for duplicate contacts. So if someone's in 2 lists, guess what? Yep, you pay twice. Now, on the MailerLite side, okay, so get this. There's a free plan for up to 500 subscribers. No sneaky fees for duplicate contacts. They only count unique people, which I actually love for list hygiene. Pricing is super transparent and just lower all around. Some features do need an upgrade, and if you want transactional emails, you'll need their MailerSend integration. But for most people, it's way friendlier on the wallet. Winner here? MailerLite, hands down. Switching gears, let's dive into features. GetResponse goes hard. We've got advanced automation, segmentation, actual sales funnels, webinars, paid ads, even web push notifications. They toss in AI-driven tools for content creation and building courses, plus transactional emails come included. The only real moments are that it can feel a little busy or bloated, especially if you're brand new, and the CRM stuff is pretty basic. Now, with MailerLite, picture clean, modern templates. Super solid landing page builder, very intuitive, and zero fluff. Their focus is pure email marketing. But the automation isn't nearly as deep, and most of the multi-channel stuff, you just won't find it here without tacking on other tools. Bottom line, GetResponse totally takes this category. No contest. Let's talk about design and usability, because honestly, this is where MailerLite really flexes. GetResponse offers multiple editors, visual, AI, HTML, and they've got a bunch of templates, which, cool. But, and I mean this, something about their UI always feels a bit busy to me. Not the most beginner-friendly. Meanwhile, MailerLite, wow, their interface is just sleek. The drag and drop editor is super fast and easy to use. Plus, their template gallery for emails and landing pages looks amazing. Okay, the classic editor is a bit slow, but you're probably going to use the new editor anyway. So yeah, MailerLite definitely wins for best design and user experience. Quick little pause. Did you know MailerLite counts only unique subscribers, so you never pay twice? Honestly, for list hygiene, that is such a win and one of those underappreciated perks. Now, moving on to integrations and ecosystem. GetResponse brings in the basics: core e-commerce and CRM integrations. It's truly a suite, a lot under one roof. But the actual number? Only 65 integrations, and their broader ecosystem kind of trails behind. MailerLite, though? Oh, and here's something cool. 139 integrations. That's nuts. Plus, they offer API access, Zapier connectors, webhooks, you name it. Sure, they're missing a few heavyweight CRM features, but overall, MailerLite wins this round for being way more plug-and-play with other services. Time for automation, a feature people either obsess over or totally ignore. GetResponse is a legit automation machine. You get workflow templates, conditional triggers, event tracking. It can be a little overwhelming if all you want is a simple newsletter, but if you need the full power, this is your jam. MailerLite has basic workflows, great for newsletters and decent drip campaigns. So for simple stuff, it's super easy. But advanced triggers, event tracking, webhooks in the basic tier? Yeah, nope. This one's a clear win for GetResponse if marketing automation is your thing. Languages and support, so important, especially if you're not working solo. GetResponse offers 24/7 help, not just email and chat, but actual phone support and even Slack if you're an enterprise customer. Plus, they support over 10 languages and some tiers come with a dedicated account manager. MailerLite, you get email and chat, and they work in 5 languages. There's no phone support, which may or may not bug you. Either way, GetResponse wins for best support and language options. Last up, additional marketing tools. If you want the full marketing suite, GetResponse delivers big time. Paid ads, webinars, landing pages, web push notifications, the works. The AI stuff for building content and online courses, it's all baked in. MailerLite, meanwhile, handles landing pages, basic forms, and does have a mini e-commerce store builder, but you won't find webinars, paid ad management, or web push. So yeah, GetResponse takes it for all-in-one toolkit.
Here's what the side-by-side scores look like on the radar chart. You can instantly see who's dominating each category. Some areas are super close, but a few others, yeah, total blowouts.
So here's where I stand. If you're all about advanced automation, want webinars, paid ads, and that whole multi-channel experience, GetResponse is the best fit. It's built for power users. But if you want something affordable, minimal, and honestly just super clean for email campaigns, MailerLite is going to feel so much easier, especially in 2025 when design really matters. Compare before you commit. Subscribe for more deep dive comparisons and honest takes. You never know what tiny detail could make or break your decision.